Hi, it's Maria from the Tarot Shop, and this is a walkthrough or an unboxing, first time I've seen it as well actually, of the Caticorn Tarot by Pamela Chen and artwork by Delphine Dion. So it's cats. I love cats. I've got two. So calming. Right, Caticorns are modern mythical creatures who live deep in the forest of the unicorn realm, where they have built a beautiful community full of joy and magic. Working with the whimsical yet wise Caticorns can spark a cat-like curiosity in your life and lead you on a mystical adventures. So this is obviously a particular place that they have the Caticorn guides. Okay, so let's have a look. Oops, sorry, beg your pardon. That's the box. Pop that to one side. I'm having a smashing time here. And the little book, guidebook. So we have the introduction at the beginning where she will tell you a little bit more about the cards, the deck, how to read them, some spreads as you can see there. Then we go into the major arcana and the minors. So a few illustrations scattered through. I'm pretty sure I saw one there, but there's one, you see. So you have those, and then at the very end of it, it's very quick to go through, and then a bit about the artist and a bit about the author. Okay, put that to one side and take a look at these cards. These are the backs. They are a nice quality deck to hold, standard size for tarot, easy to shuffle, they glide, not a problem at all, no sticking together. Very nice. Okay, so we have the Fool. They feel whimsical. Straight away I can see that this is quite a romantic, whimsical deck, in my opinion. I absolutely adore cats, so I would quite happily... Oh, look at the Chariot. Oh my goodness me. I love this one. The cats just keep going around and around and around. Oh, because we've got transformation then. Look at that. Patience for temperance. Oh, these are lovely. Very gentle. It's a very gentle energy deck, which doesn't make it any less powerful. Okay, Ace of Wands. So we've got wands now. Rider-Waite-based. Very easy to transfer. That's the lovely thing about Pamela. She does the Rider-Waite-based deck, so you can just easily change your theme, essentially. And then we have Cups. Oh, beautiful. Okay, Swords. That card always means I don't need anybody. I've got this covered myself. But actually we all do. And Pentacles, finally. Oh, look at the little ladybird. Let's call them lucky, don't we? Money. Oh, it's hilarious. Lovely. Okay, so these, as I said, these are the Caticorn Tarot. Really lovely deck. Super gentle. Yeah, let me know what you think. And if you have this already, then let others know how you feel using it. And I hope that you found that helpful. So thanks very much for your time. Bye-bye.